So guys, today we're excited to be heading out of town for my goddaughter's christening. Yes, my good goddaughter christening.
Yeah!
Yay! So we should have probably left out about half hour ago, but we're still in good timing.
You mean about 2 hours ago?
No. We're still in good timing. We're gonna try to keep you guys with us as much as possible. Can't really promise that we'll show you the actual blessing ceremony, but you'll be with us on the road. As you can see, it's just the two of us. So half of the family is back at home with mommy and Shanti. So I'm hoping everything goes well on that end. But if anything, we're a phone call away.
Yeah, alright, man.
Yes.
Also, guys, today we are going to see Kim.
Who remembers Kim?
I don't remember Kim. I don't remember Kim.
Judge
You
Kim.
sure I don't remember Kim?
Hi.
You still have flu, miss?
No, you know sound so bad today. She get embarrassment.
So I get better.
Oh, she don't know argument with you when you ask her a question. Just a safe journey.
Yes, just
say go on in a sir.
Yes, sir. I'm not going to even say anything to you. Safe journey here.
Oh, good.
Anyways, guys, Kim, cupcake them.
We're going to tell you about it when we taste it later. But aside from the cupcake, I'm excited to see Kim. I haven't seen her since September, and that's my best friend. Friend. It's my best friend.
Truth is, my mind is deep on the cupcake. Then I tell her like.
Police up the suburbs.
Which far?
I don't see them yet, but I feel like police up the suburbs.
Yeah, sir. You just speed
just slow
flash.
down, wait.
You don't drive fast.
You don't really go fast. Just make sure you don't go by speed limits.
Yeah.
Guys, me I sweat. This we have to really. It's because we don't want to have the sound being distorted. We have to turn off the yes man. We'll get stopped now.
Jeez, listen to you now.
Jeez, just listen to your wife, Robin. Listen to your wife. So guys, we get stopped. First thing, mask on.
Morning. Morning, sir. Alright. I'm feed up me now. I'm going to feed up at 50 minutes ago. My day I drive carefully because she has to remain.
Yeah, drive carefully.
Trust me.
Alright, shoes. Put on your
I know. Sometimes me and them car don't even feel like I go fast, but then I realize I go fast. Morning, officer. Yeah, man, all is well, man.
Where baby them there?
They're home with the grandmother and auntie.
A few moments later.
Bless up, sir.
Next time you listen to your wife.
Peace and peace.
Guys, we'll be back because we need to go AC.
You need to burn up now.
Because Prophet Liz literally feel like I was gonna see officers on the road. I'll be saying to him, as we go around the corner.
You have good mouth, man.
But big up those officers.
Yeah, they might do them work, you know?
Yeah, and they say they watch our videos. Nice.
Yeah.
Respect and just be safe on the road.
Man.
Why? I mean.
Make me crawl now, by the way, people. No.
Yeah. Actually, feel like I want to tell him to step it up a bit.
Yeah,
But my love.
I just want to go slower than me, so I just pass him and then go in there slowly. See, you know me, I pass him,
I keep left. Pass right, keep left.
I'm just staying slowly right now. Right, the speed of me I drive. See that? Yeah, that's set speed. But you soon when you reach a watch, yeah?
A few moments later.
Let's hear it.
Change the plans. We have to change the plans, guys. You know. We reach Ochi, but based on the time, what is the time set now?
Can't chance.
We can't stop figure there. We can't stop figure check out the
Can't stop to link you.
we can't stop link you.
And we can't rush greatness, so
yeah.
later we're gonna link him. And Shireen, you don't believe in me now? Why me ask a while ago if everything on time and you ask me where reach? Like, what is with that tone? Like, do you expect me to be late or something? Do you think I don't take my responsibilities seriously? Is that it? It's a nice sunny looking day, but feeling wise, it's hot.
Burn up.
Burn up. My goddaughter, I'm so anxious to see her because of all that's going on. I'm actually seeing her in person for the first time. Can you believe that? Can you believe that?
Yeah, sure, you know, that's it.
Why? Because we not tell her say baby don't know yet.
Oh gosh, nothing that not yet?
No, because she gonna tell me say nobody come. We can't have that. Right?
Sorry for you. That's all we can
You
say.
see me come on my eye run.
Yeah, sure, you know, meet the baby them yet, so.
Yeah. You rough enough?
Yeah, but the truth is, with a rough, forget up and get them ready.
And it will also be rough at the ceremony too.
Yeah,
so I never really want like to not be able to give my full attention.
Yeah,
So it was an executive decision.
But just feel like it's not making
Well, my car know when we reach. She go too late for she cuss me off. Yeah. How me sound?
I don't know. I don't know if you tell her.
Stop us now.
Alright, reach.
Yes, guys, we'll be back. We're going to clean up quickly because we're late. Come on. Look at this, guys. Look how we clean up, guys.
You know, tell them how you have to speed up, guys.
Oh my gosh. But we're not late bad. We're late-ish. But guys, we're on our way. There's a bit of traffic.
Sure, you know, cuss you.
You know what? She now cuss me. She just glad to reach. What you know about my friend? Right, Shireen?
You know, you're right. Still kind of business, yeah?
Yeah, do that. If me never rush, if I got change, and me think I best thing we do for reach in a rush because you never want to see Shireen face. When she realized the baby them not come, me just run off like, oh my god, where should I go? Left or right? You're on a right. Because the crunch for time, she don't really get the time for cuss me. Smart girl, right? But you know, we made it, and you know, today's all about my good daughter. Montego Bay.
For the hottest breads, buns, bullets, biscuits, visit.
We know for dry out, you know. Look over the say it and make it start saying.
Time and Patient Bakery. The time by Time and Patient Bakery
is
2:32.
Guys, me just have one little secret to share. You know, say Shireen Chickwe say at 2 o'clock event, whole time at 3. Because you know, say we love late.
No way, Liz.
Stop it. But it's a good look. It's beautiful. I found out her mom was pregnant.
She bought like,
I cried. Yeah, tears of joy.
Oh gosh, remember that day then?
Yeah. And that's it. It was at that moment that you knew that I was an idiot.
Let me show you a video, babe. Oh, my girl.
But if it's any consolation, that was her reaction as well when I told her I was pregnant.
Me happy so too. Oh, my girl.
I'll give you this. Sean, stop. This is what my hand sanitizer. Purell.
Made in. You never tell you where make. It distributor, man, about you know tell you where make.
You know, Mr. After you use it, I can cut it, but say
Oh, yeah, get your Walmart and clearance.
the disrespect. One of my most disrespectful friends, him.
I won't say that. It's all love. Baby, it is your day. Oh, look here, babes. Jesus. Show off, man.
So guys, we got it done. We enjoyed Lonnie's beautiful blessing ceremony. It was amazing, right?
It's amazing.
It was lovely.
I love the location. I love the whole family setting, the whole vibe.
Yes.
You know, and Lonnie is so sweet.
Wait, don't talk about my pretty girl now. My girl pretty, like money.
Yeah, show off some man. By the way, Liz, hold her off like she don't want nobody else hold the baby. I said, you know, if you show off, so not because you're the, godmother.
No man, we did that make up for last time.
But trust me.
We did that make up for last time.
She's such a
sweet,
little baby.
Oh gosh. Romain sing to her and she bust out a crying.
Yeah, I feel like I sing to her.
Yeah, you know, saying if you approach Lonnie gently, like, put in loud mouth, she start crying. After a minute, she start crying.
Treat early, man, you know. It's like,
Oh God.
we should catch a moment that do.
Yeah.
But she start crying. Sometimes them things there.
Shame on her about the burnt neck. Joke.
She was emotional. She was saying, "Oh, Uncle Romain, why you gotta sing so loud?"
Oh God. It was lovely. So now we're on our way to stop by Kim to collect our goodies and head into Kingston before the curfew.
Alright. There's a call mommy to see what going on for yard. If she and
you have video call her?
Auntie Pooh doing alright.
Oh.
Yeah.
Grandma.
What's it up now, man? Grandpa?
How's it going?
It's going good, man.
Them asleep?
Yeah?
Them asleep or them up?
They wait, man.
Okay.
They go there, they family night.
Okay. You get them no grip?
Yeah, Shante, yeah.
Alright, good.
How's Auntie Pooh managing, man? She's enjoying it or she mash up?
She enjoying it, man.
Let me talk to her then.
Should I say something?
Yeah.
Auntie Pooh,
What this one?
how is it going?
No, it's alright. I'm not getting in trouble. Go sleep like about 2:35 and wake up 3:30.
Ratted auntie, I check it out.
Check it, you're right. Now with time and everything, you're easy, Auntie Pooh.
Check the time, man. When they wake up, we make some tea and then while I go, I just give them some more list and I give them. What's your name?
Oh,
The smoothie?
Smoothie.
Yeah, the smoothie.
Okay, then drink it.
Yeah, I'm not drinking them, man. Don't look for me.
I lie.
I want to get it.
Yeah, sometimes because it's cold, like you have to just give them a little time and take time warm up to it.
Yeah.
But, alright, with the power we are coming back to the town still, so.
Alright, just stay travel to the area.
Yeah, man, alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, time. Auntie, I'm mommy turn pro. Well, mommy I did pro for a long time, but auntie I turn pro, you know.
Auntie I turn pro. She even pro that. That's why I said, let me talk to her, but she sound upbeat, like, hey.
Like, piece of cake, man.
Piece of cake. That's good though.
Yeah, that's good.
Anyways, we're on our way. We can sing some song?
What kind of song?
A few moments later.
I'm so solid as a rock, they just can't stop me now. If I don't get you now, I think I'm gone back. What happened? Keep it moving, back up. Give me something else that will give me so long. Tell me this, let me give love so nice. Tell me why it hurts so bad. But I'm every time I think of sailing your love.
Hello?
You still at work?
Yeah, 6 o'clock we close.
Alright, with that Trelawney I come here.
Yeah,
So
alright.
maybe by the time we reach
Alright,
alright, no problem.
Yeah,
So on the way, yeah.
Alright.
So guys, we're in Ocho Rios.
Rios. I think you're
So
wrong,
we're
sir.
less than 5 minutes away from Kim. It town busy, you know, you come like everybody I try to head home. So look how traffic up on the road, but we're gonna make it snappy too because we don't want to miss a curfew.
With your balls, we had today.
It's cool, I know. We turn down the AC.
AC, nice.
Oh gosh.
Man, but Kim, you reach, you know, where you there, we don't see you yet.
We don't fully reach.
Hello?
Kim Loy,
Hi.
we're outside.
We're outside with you?
Oh,
Yes, no, don't.
Oh, must
I
a sign.
was trying to again, the four.
See building there. That's a black something. Alright, Kim.
Alright, Kim, we're there.
Special delivery. Special delivery.
Kim Loy!
Hey, best friend.
Yo, your pink as shot.
Thank you. Oh, you thought they were.
Hi! I'm looking in the back for the girls.
You thought they were here.
Hi, Virgonation. Fine, that's
We
fine.
bake JA,
How
guys.
was the
Special
time?
delivery. Am I gonna enjoy this?
Yeah. Made with love, you know?
You hear that?
Please, we can look in there.
Baked with love.
I hear that.
Babes, you know, see packaging. We don't want to mess up your packaging. So, oh, the packaging nice. Like, me look a bit iffy. If you open it, I'm a want. You see, you know?
That's like, you know, and destroy the packaging.
You know what I mean?
So nice.
It look good. Night catch we know, but when we mean so we not we not pass what you without when we bake.
Yeah, because we don't want to stop and get a whole little vibe with Kim, but
She not finish work it, so we have to head out, but
yeah.
we bake J.A. It's delicious.
They don't play. Making cakes and cupcakes every day.
Hey,
Oh, hey!
boy, jerky. A while ago, you should have see how the camera shake. All right, so we're heading into Kingston now, and when we get home, we're gonna dig in. You think I can't wait?
Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm about. No, we can't wait so long. We got to do that outro at least.
True. Guys, thank you. Wow. Bye, got pass. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay.
Yeah, we're going back my own right now.
Oh, you're gonna eat here?
Yeah, we can't wait till we got on.
Guys, remember to follow We Bake JA on Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay? Yes. That was our day. I just feel accomplished. I get to meet my goddaughter in person, and she liked me. She loved my energy, hold me up, and
I'm sing to her and she cried. Oh gosh.
babes that cried. I never want good cry. It is
Some
too
bad
loud.
mind, sir.
Alright, I'm gonna love you. Lonnie, get it right. Lonnie.
Landy. Come here, Landy.
Alright, guys.
Bless up, Virgonation.
Yeah.